In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace your vents register easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. And this technique works for either ceiling registers or floor registers. No matter which one you have, the technique is the same. So either if you want to replace them and place new ones, or if you're just looking to clean them, we've got your back. Because here at the StatUpBox team, we like to show worst case scenario. The first thing that we want to see, if you had the best painter of all time and they went and painted the ceiling and the register all at once, or if there is any caulking around the register. What we do to make sure that we don't remove the whole register and the paint, we take a blade of your choosing and score all around it. And this would help you from not going from an easy register change to a paint job. Now that we secure the fort one more time, you're going to notice two screws on each end of the register. In this case, it's a flathead screw, but in your case, it might be a Phillips screw. No matter which one you have, the technique is going to be the same. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And if you're removing one from the wall or the ceiling, meanwhile you remove the screw, you want to hold the register down so it won't fall in your face. If you're working on a floor one, then you don't have to worry. Now we can go ahead and remove the other screw on the other side. And remember, using the same technique of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Meanwhile, we hold down the register. And another reason why we hold it down when on a wall or on a ceiling, you don't want to be moving that dust more than it needs to. Because the last thing you want is extra cleanup on your behalf. A pro tip, always save the screws just in case the new one or the replacement does not bring any screws, or the one it has are too long or too short. A pro tip, to verify the exact measurement of your vent register, it's important to measure the inside of the vent. Now that the screw is removed, the vent register should come out easily. If it doesn't, some wiggle action is permitted. We usually don't move that body on the workplace, but today it can happen. And as you can see, this register has seen better days, but nothing a quick clean or a spray paint won't fix. This is the time now where we take our tape measure and we verify the size of the vent hole. This is going to give us a more accurate measurement to get the new one. But let's say, worst case scenario, you don't have a tape measure or a ruler, or you can't borrow one from the kids, then you can always take your register to the hardware store where you can find help to get the replacement one. Now that we have our measurement, we can also verify the holes where the screws were placed. As you can see on the right side, it goes directly on a vent hole for the screw. But on the left side, it goes screwed through the sheetrock to a stud. In your case, it may have two vent holes, or in many cases, it could be screwed both of them to the stud or to the floor. Whichever your scenario, the technique will be the same. Because in our case, we're doing a cleaning, we're going to go ahead and take advantage of cleaning the vents. This is where some rags and vacuum go a long way. Now we're almost done. The only thing that we have to do is reverse engineer our way to the victory line. We're going to place either our new vent register or our recently cleaned one and align the screw with the hole on the side that we're going to start. In our case, we're going to start with the right side where we're going to place the screw on the actual vent hole. And remember the ancient rule of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We're gonna go ahead and finish on the left side where this one screws directly on a stud. Always remember to hold the vent down, because the last thing you want is for the register to purposely, accidentally fall on your friend's, family, or loved one's face. And now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You've just become a master vent register replacement expert of the register market. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's the link to our latest video.